Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog, man. It's K510 Automotive Group. Today, man, we're back with another video, man. Not a video I want to make, but it's all good. That's what happens with these old cars, man. So today, man, we got the Benz in the garage. Let's see. Let me show you why it's in the garage. We got a coolant leak, man. Yup. Y'all was smelling coolant from the car, and I didn't know where it was coming from. And I popped the hood and I seen that on the side of the radiator. So, you know, yeah, they go grab a new radiator. And now it's time to put it in, man. Yeah, it's time to put it in now, but this is my first time working on a not working on a car, but like working on a Mercedes cooling system. So I hope it's what I'm used to. Anyway, I'm gonna set this camera up, and we're gonna get this car lifted up so we can get access to the bottom of the vehicle and drain out the cooler. So let me set this camera up and put it on a time lapse so you guys can see how this works. Alright, guys, so we got the car lifted up off the ground. Don't really need much room. I just want to be able to get to the drain plug for the radiator and drain it. Yeah, I already started removing some of these clips stuff. It's like little clips for the fan shroud and the hoses and stuff like that. So we got those out. I'm not sure if I need to take off the fan belt itself, because it has a radiator support. So this whole front piece comes off, so I think I should be alright. Just lift this up out the way instead of like removing all this stuff. Alright, I'm gonna get my little drain pan. I'm gonna start draining the coolant, and I'll cut this back on a little bit. Alright, so before we start draining the coolant, we gotta make sure we remove the radiator cap, so it can cause like a vacuum, and all the fluid will drain straight to the bottom. Put it there. Already got my pan. I'm just gonna give me let me get a flathead screwdriver to remove the drain. This will work. Let's get a regular screwdriver. forgot what side it's on. Oh wait, see, I'm getting ahead of myself. I gotta remove the bottom cover first. So, yeah, let me set the camera up here. Remove this cover first. Set y'all up right here. Setting it right here. Oh. Alright guys, so we got the old radiator out. It's the old one. Yeah, just so y'all can see a better picture where it was leaking from. Actually coming from the side up here. So it's a good thing I caught it in time. Didn't explode on me on the road, but pretty glad I caught it. Yeah, I just kind of slipped it out. I didn't want to take all this other stuff out. Just remove the trans lines and the coolant hoses, and just slipped it out. I'm not sure if that's how you're supposed to do it. I just did it that way because to me, the less stuff you gotta touch, is better it is, you know. But yeah, man. Hold on, let me take the new one out the box. Match it up first. It's always good to match up your parts before you install them, because you end up doing all that work. Here's the fun out, you got the wrong part. Man. Alright, so this is our new one off the box. Make sure they look the same. So yeah, they look pretty identical. You know, that there. Those two, these two. Top mount, top mount, top mount, top mount. Sorry, man. I'm gonna slip this back in, and we come back on the camera in a little bit. All right, guys. So we got the new radiator in. I just gotta put all the hoses back on, but it did slip in pretty good. So I'm just gonna finalize everything, put the car back on the ground, and then we could bleed it outside once we get everything done. But so far, so good. Alright, guys, so we got everything back together. But I put this thing outside and start bleeding the cooling system. New radiator is in. I know I gotta do my valve cover gaskets. But I don't know, I just kind of want to drive it right now. I know it sounds crazy. I could do it since it's already on the jack stands, but I think I'm gonna put it outside, bleed it, and say that for another video. But yeah, man, if you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. I'm a car guy. I like getting my hands dirty, like turning wrenches. Let me take these glasses off. And yeah, man, it's basically my passion, man. This is what I love to do. You know, my spare time, that's what I do. I be looking for projects, ordering parts, and fixing my shit and cruising it, you know. I ain't racing yet, so maybe when I put a Whipple on this or something, you know, start chasing horsepower later on. But yeah, man, yeah, we're gonna put this outside. I'm gonna show you guys how to bleed your cooling system on your on any car. You know, I have a funnel. I'll show you my whole setup, what I use, and this is the coolant I got. I went to Walmart, got this. See, it got the Mercedes Benz on there. Yeah, I don't know. They had some orange fluid coolant in here, so I know that coolant isn't good at all. So I'll probably just flush it multiple times. I got 2 gallons. Or maybe when I'm bleeding, it probably pushes all the old shit out. But yeah, man, I'm gonna take the car off the jack stands. Gotta move the bike. Gotta move a few cars around so I can get it outside and bleed it out. So yeah, man, just stay tuned, man. Yeah, let's just do that. All right, guys, so we got our funnel bleeding out the coolant system. Got the car outside. Oh, right now it's cooling. The air is cool. I got the heat all the way up. The temperature gauge is like midway. We're just gonna rev it up. Trying to push all the air out the system. Watch that funnel over there. That's what I'm watching. Yeah, man, I'm just trying to bleed this thing out so I can get back to driving it. But I do have a lot more work I need to do. Gonna be replacing this armrest. Replacing this trim panel. And I might have to find somebody to reupholster these door panels. I might just peel this off. Or maybe just take it to get rewrapped. I don't want this thing to look raggedy. I want no raggedy Benz, you know? So we got heat quick. Damn. It takes so much time. Yeah, we just bleeding the air out. Waiting for the thermostat to open up. Upper hose is still cool. If I can get to the lower hose. Oh, this has a heater pump. That's why it's heating up so quick. Oh, interesting. Yeah, man. Man, let that thing run for a little bit. But yeah, man, I'm just gonna bleed this thing out and probably start driving it now that I got the new radiator in. See, the old one is all leaking and stuff. I'm just glad I caught it pretty early. So yeah, man, see you guys on the next vlog. Peace. And remember, if you can make 5, you can flip it into 10. Keep going up, you know what I mean? There's gonna be struggles. That's what builds character, man. So don't trip, just keep going, take it on the chin, keep rolling, man. Peace till the next vlog.